NGOnInit versus Constructor. The constructor is a TypeScript feature, okay, which will not do anything in the Angular. We have to, if we are using a TypeScript file means we have to give a constructor. But lifecycle hook methods are not like that. They are the methods of the Angular. It will be representing the Angular lifecycle. And in NGOnInit, we can add a prototype to the class and Angular will be Angular called its constructor will be transformed to the function for the JavaScript engine, and Angular component is initialized through this NGOnInit, but constructor will be automatically called in any programming language. Business logic can be performed inside the NGOnInit as it is called the first one. Constructors are used for injecting dependencies, like HTTP client will be injected through this one, and the component is initialized at constructor will be initialized during the time of invocation, but everything is ready, and once the engine is called, the invocations is ready. Those are the main differences between them. Thanks team, thanks for the support.